All right, here is our first section lesson on basic equations. Some of this might be a little review, but it's a good place to start. So let's start with an equation, pretty straightforward, like x plus 6 equals 10. Now you might look at that and say, oh, what number plus 6 is 10? That answer is 4. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Yeah, you can kind of guess and check. However, I want to start working on some methods for solving equations. So in order to isolate x, we need to take away 6 from both sides because that keeps the equation balanced. So 6 minus 6 is 0. So x plus 0 would just be x, and then 10 minus 6 is 4. There we go, just like we thought. 4 plus 6 is 10. So that solves that equation. Let's try one here where we have like a fraction. X over 2 equals 3. Well, this is kind of like saying x divided by 2. So how do I undo division? Well, I undo division by multiplying both sides by 2 because the 2 over 2 cancels out. So that would give you x equals 6. And then if you check that into the equation at the beginning, 6 over 2 is 3. Yep, that checks out. That makes it true. Let's try one more. This one has a couple different parts to it. So let's do 5 times 2n minus 3 equals 15. So you may recall this 5 times the two terms in parentheses. That needs to be distributed. So multiply both terms first out to clear out the parentheses. So that would be 10n minus 15 equals 15. Okay? Now, I got to eliminate the 10 and the minus 15, right, to get the n by itself. But you got to do this in the right order here. I need to add 15 to both sides first because that's going to eliminate that separate term, giving you just 10n equals 30. And then now finally in that last step, we can divide both sides by 10 to cancel out, giving us n equals 3. And if you want to check that solution, let's plug it back into the original. 5 times 2 times 3 minus 3. And we want to see if that equals 15. Well, 2 times 3 would be 6. So 5 times 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 5 times 3, which is 15, which checks out.